Alright guys, looks like the water's still going in the direction where it's supposed to be going low, so the water level's low enough. Usually I don't start this at this side, or I mean I was on this side before, but I wasn't down this far. I always stayed to the right in that direction, because when I did magnet fish here the first time, my magnet got stuck, so I'm taking a big risk. So let me throw the magnet in and see what happens. Well, that was a lousy throw. Went straight down. I'm talking kind of funny right now because I got a breath mint in my mouth. So if my speech sounds kind of funny, it's because of that. Let's see if I got anything. I also notice on this side that I get a lot of magnetic rock over here, but it looks like coming up right now. I mean, it got something on there. All right, let's analyze this. Well, I can tell you right now, by the color of the silver, most likely a piece of shopping cart. You can see the silver. It's on the magnet too. So it's basically what it is. A shopping cart. Pieces of shopping cart. So let me scrape this crap off. Alright guys, I got something on here, if it holds. These are not the best gloves. All my gloves are dirty. I forgot to get them clean. These gloves are kind of not meant for this. Actually, this type of gloves are used for like if you're changing your oil or something in your vehicle. So they don't have a great grip. It's a pretty nice day out today. Tomorrow's supposed to be nice too, but a little humid. Let's see what the heck this is. If I had to guess, it's like a brake caliper for a vehicle, the way it's shaped. But the way it's rounded off that way. That's what it looks like. The other piece, I do not know what it is. Could be a bolt, shaped like a bolt. But I think this used to be a brake caliper. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna need a separate bucket for that. Once it's cleaned up, I'll find out what it is, but I think it's a brake caliper. and all the rest just magnetic rock and sludge. All right, here we go. Another bad throw. I keep stepping on the damn rope. I might even go down there and see if I can locate the shopping cart while the water is still going low. Maybe I can get lucky and pull it in and put it on land and then come back with the truck. It'll save me a lot of time. Alright, I got something here. Oh, came off. Yeah. Let's see what up. Might have it. Nope, lost it. Let's see what else is on there. Sometimes there might be something on there. Yep. Looks like kind of dark, but if I had to guess, it could be rebar. And then there's something else. Looks like a screwdriver of some sort. Yep. Screwdriver. Pointy piece of metal. Don't need that. And rebar. Pretty sure it's rebar. Yeah, it's rebar. Alright, and the rest is magnetic rock. Like I said, these gloves are not the greatest. I wouldn't recommend wearing gloves that are slick when doing this. So here I go again. Oh, that throw was a lot better. Alright, just gonna stay on this time or what? Or do I have to move it to land? I might have to move it to land because these gloves are not the greatest. Which that's what I'm gonna have to do. Hopefully I got enough rope. I gotta make my way down there anyway. Okay, stay on there. Hope it's not a shopping cart. I doubt it. Come on, stay on there. Alright, I'm gonna have to bring everything down. I'll be back. Alright guys. I extended the rope. I moved everything to where I started last time. Hopefully it's still on there. Didn't let go. Hell, might even come, might end up being where the cart is. But I don't want that to happen because, oh shit, it might be stuck on something. Now it seems a lot lighter for some reason, unless a piece came off. Could be a, what do you call it, the old drum. Apparently I can't even see it yet. Whoa, something bubbled up there. Nope, I don't know what it is. Looks like a tank. It's a freaking tank. Holy crap, it's a tank. I don't know what kind of tank it is. It looks like a tank. Like I said, I'm gonna have to go down there, check it out. Now I gotta see if I get my magnet off. There's the bottom part. I gotta really make sure I get it to land. And I'll leave it there for now. I'm gonna keep making a couple throws and then I'm gonna make my way down there. The tank's gonna be heavy. Unless it's filled with water. If it's water, then I could drain it down and it wouldn't be that heavy. So let's see what's on the magnet here before I throw it back in there. Ah, shit. Alright, I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back and I got something. Could be a bike. Looks like a bike frame. Like I said, it's kind of dark. It's heavy. I don't have a good grip. Like I said, these gloves weren't made for this. So I'm gonna take it, put it where the tank is. Oh yeah, it's a bike frame. It's a bike frame. I might as well just make a pile. As soon as I'm gonna have the truck tomorrow, bring the truck and throw everything in there. Because it's gonna be a lot of work if I keep getting stuff like this. And with these gloves on, I'm gonna have a hard time bringing that up. See, we got some seaweed. or plant life material. Alright, there we go again. I'm gonna have to move my rope further down. So far I've been last couple of throws I've been pulling out some big stuff. Okay. Have anything on there? I guess the streak has ended. See what I got on there. Yeah, probably magnetic rock. But you never know. You never know. Yeah, magnetic rock. I'm gonna make a couple throws and then make my way down. 2 more throws. I'll be back. Alright guys, I moved the rope closer. I tied it up closer here so it doesn't take my bucket and the rest of my stuff into the water. There I go. I had to move a little fast because a pedestrian was walking by. I didn't want to end up swinging that and swinging it into his stomach. But let's see what I got here. I think the water's moving and starting to go in the other direction, I think. I don't think it's going north anymore. Meaning going that way. It's not going that way anymore. I mean, it's coming back, so I'm gonna make, after this throw, after what's on here, I'm gonna make one more throw, then I gotta go down there. I got something. It's a piece of metal. Is it an L frame or? Yes, looks like an L frame. Like I said, these gloves are the worst gloves to wear. They're slippery. It makes it hard to pull things out or bring heavy stuff up. Yeah, this piece of metal's been down there a long time. It's falling apart. Let's see what else we got on here. Probably guess, probably a piece of a shopping cart or something. All the rest magnetic rock. I don't know. It's not the cart down there, because you see those two stones there. I had that cart in between those stones when I dropped it up a couple weeks ago. Now I don't know if it's still down there or somebody took it out. So I'm going to throw the magnet in there in this area and see what I get. Unless it really sunk into the mud. Ah, shit. Almost got it stuck. Yeah, I gotta make my way down there to those items. Yeah, I got something on there. Let's see what it is. A piece of wire. Could be the piece of a shopping cart. I see the silver. Shoot, I don't know if you can see it. The silver right there. Could be a piece of the shopping cart. Or maybe not, because the rest of it, I don't remember having a shopping cart having this type of like a flange type attachment to it, so it might not be a shopping cart. When I clean it up and stuff, I'll find out. I'll be back. All right, guys, I am down here at Big Timber Creek. I retrieved that tank. Pretty sure it's a tank. And a bicycle frame. Hopefully I can locate the cart. The water's coming back. Here's a bicycle frame. Here's the tank. No, it's not a tank. Nope, it's not a tank. It's a piece of round metal pipe. Could be cast iron. Well, I think it's manageable. Actually, here's the bike frame. Has all kinds of, I didn't bring my box cutter. Has a fishing weight on it, along with fishing line. Since I'm down here, I gotta see if I can locate the cart. It might have went underneath. Could be underneath. I didn't bring my scraper with me. The heck we got here? Whatever it is breaking apart. There's a piece of metal. Could be a lawnmower blade. That's what it used to be, a lawnmower blade. What's this? This piece of metal stock. Put that over there. All the rest magnetic rock. And then bring my bucket down. So, all right, I'll be back. All right, guys, I'm starting to slowly remove the stuff. And I gotta battle these lantern flies. They're landing on me everywhere. I pulled this out. It's a stick. It has all these weights on it, fishing weights. That's good to get out of the water. I got the brake frame, and I'm around a nest of lantern flies. Oh shit! There's a nest of them. Oh yeah, they're all over the place. I gotta make my way out of here. Quickly. Actually, I went the wrong way. Oh shoot. Ah, shit. All right. This is not looking too good. Gotta be like Spider-Man to do this. See, I went down this way. Actually, that's why I went down this way first time. I think I don't know if it would have been easier this way, going up, or going this way. But other than that, I got the heaviest thing up. Now I gotta get that bike frame. Oh, tire's coming off. Let's see the top side. Well, doesn't look like there's gonna be a part 4 of the shopping cart removal. I was down there and I threw the magnet every area I could find where it might be a cart or shopping cart, and came up nothing. So I think somebody already took the cart out. If they did, good for them. I did see pieces of remnants of a shopping cart that was on the ground there, so maybe they pulled it out. You know, it's great. So other than that, I'm just gonna look for new territory and go from there. Because, you know, it's always good to expand your territory or areas. Never stay at the same location. Sooner or later the word gets out that you find something, you know, spectacular in the water, and before you know it, you're going to have people, you know, coming down there, magna fishing and stuff like that. So it happened before when they found out that I found a grenade in the Little Timber Creek. There were a whole bunch of people down there looking for whatever they could find. So it's always good to expand your territory. Other than that, if you like this video, subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment. And I appreciate you guys for watching my videos. I'll see you again.